Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to save CorelDraw file as JPG highest quality without any stress. Let me show you how. Like what you can see on my screen right here, this is a Corel logo file. So I want to show you how you can easily save it as high quality JPG. That what you want to do here is to come to the top right here, go ahead and click on File. And come down below right here, go ahead and click on Export. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and choose your file location. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to my desktop right here. Then from desktop, I'm going to save it in this particular backup file right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to come to Save as Type right here. Go ahead and click on here. Then what you want to do here is to make sure you look for the tag. Click on that, just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Export. So we have the export preview right here. So what we want to do here is that we need to come to quality right here. We'll click on quality and we'll make sure we choose highest quality right here. Once you choose highest quality, make sure this is in 100% higher resolution right here. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and hit on OK. And in a few seconds, the file is going to be saved as a JPG without any stress. So if I go ahead and minimize my Corel file, I go ahead and look up for my backup file right there, and we have the logo right here. So if I press Enter key and select the logo and press Enter key on my keyboard, then we have the logo here in JPG file format. So you can see the file format right here from the top. It is in JPG. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.